Shut on that? Yeah. So problem number 8 says, cancel. Problem number 8 says, what size cube in meters would have, oh no, that's not it, that's problem number 6. Problem number 8 says, show that x equals x naught plus vt, where v is the velocity, and x and x naught are lengths, and t is time, is dimensionally correct. So they're going to give us a formula, x is equal to x naught plus velocity times time. And we want to show that it's dimensionally correct. So this is really called dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis, Mr. Adams can calculate all kinds of things, right? What are the 3 things that we measure in science and in physics when we measure things? Let's talk about that for a second. We measure really 3 things. Can somebody tell me what we measure? We measure, I heard mass, yep, we do that. What else? Length, yep. One more thing. Time. Everything that you will learn in a science class for the rest of your life, to some degree, is a measurement of one of these, especially in a physics class. So the rest of this year, we're going to measure those 3 things. Everything is based on those 3 things. Okay? Everything we do in this class is based on those. So we're going to do a bunch of calculations, and what I want to make sure is that I'm using the right formula, and sometimes we'll make up our own formulas, and so we want to do what we call dimensional analysis to make sure that these things work out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a capital letter M to represent mass, I'm going to use a capital letter L to represent length, and a capital letter T to represent the time. So now here's the thing. When I say x, what am I measuring? Length. When I say x naught, what am I measuring? Length. Now when I get to v, what am I measuring? Okay, now velocity is a measurement of something here. Time and length. So if I say 20 miles per hour, what am I really saying? Length over time. Very good. And then that's got to be multiplied by t time, which is time. Now watch what happens. This is really the same as t over 1. So what happens to my t's? They cancel out. And so I have a length plus a length, which is really a length. So this is, yes, this is dimensionally correct. Now everything I write down is what you need to write down for your homework, okay? Does that make sense? So which one was that? That was problem number 8 out of your textbook? Yeah? Are there any questions on